approval process. It is similar to process management in HFM. So first, what are the steps involved here? First, you have to create a approval unit, and then you have to assign a owner, and then you have to assign approval unit to scenario year end period, right? And then you have to start the process, and then you have to approve, and then you have to log the entities. That's it. Very very simple. So first, we have to create the approval unit. So click on cancel this. Click on navigate approval unit. Click on approval unit. Oh, there are many approval units, right? So let me delete all this. Yes, I guess I cannot delete this. So okay, we'll delete it later. So click on add button. You can give any name, my unit, right? Okay. So enable approvals. All are custom. What do you mean by all? All means from top to bottom. Total geography, Asia, India. So in live, I told you, right? In live, you will be having many hierarchies, some 8 or 9 generations. If you put custom, right, you can give a specific generation. So I'll take total geography here. Here I can give the generation. See, 0 comma 4 means 6 to 9 generations, or 8 and 9 generations only. Yes, likewise you can give. But while practicing, we'll give all the generations because we have only 3 generations, right? There is no need to give a separate generation list. But in live, yes, you don't want security for first 3 generations. Yes, only give to last 3 generations, 6 to 9, 7 to 9, 7 to 10, etc. You can give. So this is called enable approvals. Next, approvals consolidation bottom up. So consolidation separate approve and lock. This one is very new one. We'll see what it is actually. We'll do R&D. So bottom up means first you have to submit, approve, and then lock. If you put consolidation directly, means directly you can lock without approving. So we'll see. First, I'm keeping bottom up. Clear? Cube is always console flow. Yes. This an extended approval flow. This one as of now will keep none. Okay, so click next. So yes, what are the dimensions? What are the members you want security? I don't want for global assumptions. I don't want for M hierarchy. I don't want for P hierarchy. These are dummy hierarchies, right? So I enable security for. I mean, I enable the approvals only for total geographies. Click next. You can assign one to each and every hierarchy separately. So here I'll give service administrator groups, service administrator. That's it. When you give that to parent, automatically all the childrens will be given. That's it. Click OK. See, it is synchronized. My unit is synchronized. See, before that, before it will be in not synchronized state. So it will be synchronized. First step is completed. See, so click on approval unit, hierarchy name. Okay, select custom. Okay, approval unit template as consolidation bottom up. Consolidation means you can directly log the entity. Bottom up means first you have to approve and then lock. Clear? So yes, assign owner is done. Synchronize, it is done. Now assign approval unit to scenario year end period. So this one, click on navigate approval unit assignment. So my unit, right? So here click on add button. So select the scenario FI15 January. Save. So here this is the problem. So you cannot duplicate that. So somebody has already used that one. So total geography FI17 Kishore, FI15 Indrajit, right, Harita. Yes, here it should be duplicate. It should be deleted. Save. No, there is a process for this one. So just give me 1 second. So go to manage approvals. First let it unstart. So preview, select actual year FI15 January, go. Exclude. Done. Now go to approval unit assignment. Then you can delete this. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Save. Done. Now you can delete this unit also. So same thing for the Dheeraj, Harita, Indrajit. So right, FI18, we have to remember this. We have to remove all these things. Just give me 1 second. I'll take note of this and I'll delete all these things. Right, right, done. Now we'll go to manage approvals. So what is the first one? So FI16 February, FI16 February, go. Click on preview. So is it started? Yes. Exclude. Done. Next. FI22 June. FI22 June. Go. Indrajit. Yes. Done. Next is Kishore. FI15 March. FI15 March. Go. Yes. Done. Next is my unit 6. FI15 February. Done. Next is FI18 January. FI18 January. Go. Done. Next is total geography. Okay, no issues. So we'll keep like that only. So approval unit assignment. Now you can delete all these things. Yes. Delete. Indrajit. Delete. My unit. Kishore. Delete. My unit 6. Delete. Delete. Total geography FI17. Yes, we can keep like that only. Save. Right. Now you can delete approval units also. Here also you can delete all these things now. So there is a process, right? Yes, there is delete. Total geography by default it will be there. So we'll keep that one only. Yes, delete. Yes, delete. 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 Done. Now second step is this one, right? Approval unit assignment. Expand. Click on here. So year, scenario and period should not be duplicate. You all seen, right? So when you practice, select a separate year and separate period. You can practice. Okay, right. First come here and check what all year, period and scenario is used. So save this one. Done. Next step is completed. We can delete this one. No, right. See, next click on manage approvals. We have to start the period. So click on navigate, manage approvals. Here it will be confused, so always click on tree view. Right, so click on actual FI15 and then January, go. So my unit, see, it is not started. So you can start only parent member. You need not start the individual members. Okay, when you start parent member, automatically all the children and base member before below that it will be started. హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎంలో ఇలా కాదమ్మా. ఇన్ హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఆల్ ద పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ డిసెండెంట్స్. బట్ హియర్ when you start parent, when you lock parent, automatically all the children below the parent will be locked. All the children below the parent will be started. Okay, that's it. Next, so start the approval units, yes, right, and then submit approval log. So click on home directory, click on approvals. So see, so I can see total geography, right? Click on this. Here you can see approve, done. 1 minute. Click on approve, change status, done. See, error. Why error? Same process in HFM also. Unless and until you consolidate and it is an OK status, you cannot move it to approve, right? Same here also. So here there is a data status. You open the data status. This is calculation status, right? So see, impacted means it needs consolidation. So first run the consolidation. Go to rules, consolidate. Total geography January, February, January actual FI15 launch. If it is throwing error message, then what is the error message? Chepanamma, any error message? Error. How do we solve this error? Anybody? Jeevan, how do we solve this error? Read and try to solve this error. ఈ లైన్ చదివితే చాలమ్మా మీకు. What is the error message and what is the solution? Divya, Prabha, try. Manju, Srinu garu. Metadata has been changed. Please recompute the ownership data. How do we recompute the ownership data? Click on navigate, consolidation, click on actions, recompute ownership data. Because frequently we'll be changing the metadata, right? In live, you won't face this error because we don't change the metadata daily. But here people will be practicing, so they keep on change the metadata. See, here this creates a problem. So 100, I have to put it as yes. I have to put it as yes. Save. Again, I have to recompute the ownership data because it is changed. Click on actions, recompute ownership data, recompute. Now you can do the consolidation. Click on rules, consolidate, launch. Now go to jobs and see consolidation is successful or not. Your consolidation should take only 2 minutes max. Completed now. Right now you can go to approvals. Yes. Total geography. Right? Approve. Change status. Done. Now see, everything is approved. See, all the entities are in approved status. Again, click on total geography. Lock. It is locked. Done. Everything is locked now. So okay, so there is one problem here. What it is saying, entity failed, entity or its descendants not locked for previous period. If you want to lock the previous period, so there is a problem, right? Go to dimensions. I normally say people not to, when you practice this one, right? Remove this, right? Two. Okay. No. 13 and 14 should be removed. So click on actions, refresh database. Yes. So when you lock the data, right, previous month should be locked. That is the criteria. That is the reason somebody has inserted 13, year 13 and year 14, right? Now I cannot lock all 12 months data for 13 and 12 months data for 14. So I simply removed 13 and 14. Now can I lock the data? Yes, I can lock the data. Click on finish button and then go to approvals and then click on total geography and then change status, lock, change status, unlock. See, everything is locked now. Yes, your reporting cycle is completed. This is called approvals. Now we have to learn what is that consolidation bottom up. We have practiced bottom up, right? Now everybody observe this. When you go to total geography here, other than approve lock, unlock single. Yes, we'll unlock that one. Change status means everything will be unlocked. See, everything is under review now. See, so there is a delegate and there is a take ownership and there is originate button. In HFM, there is one problem in process management. What is that? For example, here we'll take the business scenario. G1 is approver. Okay. So regularly every month he is approving the data. This month he went on a vacation. He has taken a long leave. He went on a vacation. In HFM, what do we do then? There is no solution. He has to approve the data. But in FCCS, right, he can delegate this right to Manju. Okay. Here we cannot practice this, but please try to understand the theory part. ఓకే ఎందుకంటే మీకు యూ కెనాట్ లాగిన్ విత్ ఎనీ అదర్ యూజర్ రైట్ దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ యూ కెనాట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ హియర్ అందరికి అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా మీరు ఎందుకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయలేరు ఇది ఎందుకంటే మీ యూజర్ ఐడితోనే మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయగలరు కదా ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి మీరు రైట్ ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు కలిసి మీరు డెలిగేట్ ఇప్పుడు మంజు జీవన్ కలిసి మంజు ఏమో డెలిగేట్ అని ఇస్తాడు ఎస్ యూ కెన్ డెలిగేట్ ఇట్ టు చేంజ్ స్టేటస్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇది దీనికి తెలియదు మనకి నార్మల్గా అయితే సి ఆర్ పంపడం అని వచ్చింది మొత్తం సో మీకేంటి యూ కెన్ డెలిగేట్ దిస్ రైట్ టు సమ్ అదర్ అండ్ దెన్ వన్స్ హీ కమ్ బ్యాక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వకేషన్ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటిది మంజుకి డెలిగేషన్ ఇస్తారు జీవన్ విల్ గివ్ డెలిగేషన్ టు మంజు మంజు విల్ టేక్ ద ఓనర్షిప్ నౌ రైట్ అండ్ దెన్ he will do all the approvals everything now once g1 comes back from vacation right he will originate that అంటే ఒరిజినేట్ అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటమ్మా
టేక్ బ్యాక్ ఓనర్‌షిప్.
ఎస్ అది వరకు ఎలా ఉందో అలా వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో దిస్ డెలిగేషన్ ఒరిజినేట్ అండ్ టేక్ ఓనర్షిప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ రైట్ ఆల్ త్రీ పార్ట్స్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో ప్లీజ్ కన్ఫర్మ్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో
యెస్ సార్.
delegate means you can delegate this right to some other person that person will take the ownership and do all the activities and then
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
once
ఇప్పుడు మంజు నాకు డెలిగేట్ చేశారంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక 20 డేస్ వెకేషన్ ఎళ్ళాడు.
uh,
సో మంజు నాకు డెలిగేట్ చేశారు. ఒక నేను సో అప్పుడు
you
తర్వాత మళ్ళీ
you can
అంటే
do all the approvals whatever the manju task right you can do that and then immediately once he comes back right he has the right to originate that he will take
సో
right
అతనే ఒరిజినేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్? లేదా
అతనే
మనం
ఒరిజినేట్
చేయాలా?
చేసుకోవాలి ఎందుకంటే he is the owner of the actual owner of the task right he will originate that okay బట్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో ఒరిజినేట్ బికాజ్ యువర్ ఆల్ సర్వీస్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ రైట్ ఇది ప్రాపర్గా మీరు బికాజ్ యువర్ ఆల్ సర్వీస్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్స్ యూ కెనాట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ ఇన్ లైవ్ రైట్ దేర్ విల్ బి సెపరేట్ పర్సన్ ఫర్ దిస్ అప్రూవల్స్ సో ట్రై థియరీ పార్ట్ రైట్ ప్లీజ్ be thorough with the theory part okay but remaining everything you have to practice clear so once again we'll do it from first this time we'll do it from consolidation not consolidation bottom up okay so how do I delete the approvals so click on navigate click on manage approvals so first I have to exclude this I have to start I already started right so I have to unstart this so exclude done yes now go to approval unit assignment, expand, right, delete this. Now save this. Now go to approval unit and you can delete this. Done. Yes, deleted. Now we'll do it again. Click on plus. Okay, anything. So enable approvals all template. This time I'm not using consolidation bottom up. I'm using consolidation. Just it means there is no concept of approval. There is no concept of etc etc. Directly you can log the data. So enable approval none. Okay, click next. So expand. I don't want global assumptions. I don't want M hierarchy. I don't want P hierarchy. Click next. So I'll, as usual, I'll give the owner as, you can give owner separately and reviewer separately. Okay, but here we cannot practice with two or three users. We don't have that luxury. So I'm keeping like this only. Click OK. Done. It is synchronized. Yes. Now go to approval unit assignment. G1 unit, right? So expand, click on add button and select actual and select FI15 and select January. Yes, save. Done. Now go to manage approvals, start the process. So always use preview, expand, start the process. It is started. Done. Now go to approvals. So here see, there is no concept of approval etc. Directly click on change status. Done. So it is locked, right? You all understood the difference between consolidation and consolidation bottom up? Yes or no? అర్థమైందమ్మా? Yes or no? Please confirm. Consolidation means directly you can lock the data. You don't need approvals, etc. etc. Consolidation bottom up means slowly you have to do one by one activity. Means first you have to approve and then it will be under review and then you have to approve and then you have to log the data. So again, click on this unlock. Unlock single means, for example, you locked all the entities but you have a problem with only one entity India. Do I need to lock all the unlock all the entities? No, click on India and instead of unlocking click on lock single. Now see, only India will be unlocked and its parent. See, India, see everything is locked. India is unlocked, its parent, immediate parent Asia is unlocked and its immediate parent total geography is also unlocked. See, that is called unlock single. So remember, consolidation, consolidation bottom up, unlock, unlock single. So again click on total geography, simply lock. Everything will be locked now. See again. Clear? So they made it very very easy. In HFM it is very very irritating actually. Process management is very very irritating. But in FCCS it is not like that. It is, they made it very easy. Clear? Now how do I unlock? Simple, unlock everything, change status. Done. Now once again we will do it from scratch. We will use third option. So go to directly, can I delete the approval unit? No, right? So click on manage approvals, click on tree view, select the scenario year and period and then exclude. Yes, done. So next go to approval unit assignment. So expand, delete this and save. Done. Now click on approval unit, you can delete this. Done. Right? So can I delete this total geography also? Yes, it will throw an error message. Why? See, so it is already assigned, right? Some 2017 or 18. So go to approval unit assignment. Here see what happened to this. So FI17 March and February budget. So go to manage approvals, go to FI17, right? 17, this is February, go and then preview, expand, it is excluded, okay, and budget March. Yes, go to approval unit assignment, try to delete these two, delete, delete, save. Now you can delete total geography unit also, delete. So by default total geography unit will be there by default. It is not created by me or by Kishore or by anybody, okay. Now how do I do that one? Click on a plus button. So again this time, right, so yes, all consolidation separate approval lock. This one, this is very new, even I have to do R&D. So approval extended approval group, okay, this one we will put, okay, assign approval groups, okay, there is a separate groups involved, okay, we'll use the default group, okay, right click, next. Yes, as usual, I don't want a global assumption, some hierarchy, yes, click next. Total geography, yes, so select service administrator, yes, there is no change, I guess. Click OK. Done. Approval unit is assigned. So next step is approval unit assignment. Manju unit. Yes. Click on add button. Yes. Click on actual. Yes. And then select FI15. Yes. And then select January. Yes. Okay. Save. Done. Next step is click on manage approvals. FI15 actual January go. Click on preview. Right. So start the process. This one. Okay. Now go to approvals. There is no change, right? Yes. Delegate, approve, approve, change status, done. Yes. Click on this, change status, done. So there is no difference between approval, separate approval group. So you can create, I guess you can create a separate approval group for Asia, separate approval group for Europe, separate approval group for US, I guess. So just give me 1 second. Unlock, done, it's under review, right? So go to manage approvals, click on preview, so exclude this, yes. So go to approval unit assignment, delete this, and then save. Go to approval unit. Here we'll do one thing, we don't delete this, we edit this and assign groups, right? We create another group. So ASIA underscore GRO UP group. Okay. Add dimension. Entity dimension. Yes. Add row. Entity dimension. Edit. Asia descendants including. Okay. Done. Remove this. Okay. Save and close. Asia group. Right. Remaining everything is same. Save. 1 minute. So here 1 minute. Edit. For select primary members, assign owners, right? Here expand, expand for Asia group, We have to select a groups. No, this is users. So you can keep like that only. Okay. Now what is the difference? Click on here and then go to approval unit assignment, add button, save. Now go to manage approvals, tree view, Asia group, Asia group, Asia group, Asia group. Okay, Asia group separately, here separately. Okay, right. Okay, now go to manage approvals. Can I log this now? Something happened. In jobs, is there any error message? No. Hmm. It's in first pass. So no. So yes, if it is in first pass, it means they try to replicate HFM process management here. So as of now, we'll leave it here. Okay. Even I have to do R&D on this one. That new option. పాత రోజుల్లో ఈ ఆప్షన్ ఉండేది కాదమ్మా. ఓకే. ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో such ఆప్షన్. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఆప్షన్ లేదు. ఓన్లీ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్. కన్సల్టేషన్ బాటమ్ అప్ ఈ రెండే ఉండేయమ్మా. ఈ సపరేట్ అప్రూవ్ అండ్ లాక్ అనేది నేను కొంచెం R&D చేసి చెప్తాను మీకు. ఓకేనా ఎవ్రీవన్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే?
సార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ బేస్డ్ అడుగుతారా సార్ ఇది కన్సల్ట్